peeps, I'm here at our Billy's, and it's been and cleaned his roof for him. I'm about to put solar panel on. I don't know whether you can see it there. Let's have a look. I'm trying to do it on a tripod. There's a solar panel, and it's going up on pop top. Fetch the wires down, and conveniently there's a couple of grommets there. They'll go through there and come down in between there. A gap there. But I've got here at 9 o'clock in the morning, and it's frozen solid. So I got to wait for all that to dry off before I can do anything. Put his controller up on the side in there. Fetch the wires into there. The batteries are in the box there. So couldn't really go through the roof of that because it's fiberglass, and of course it's got canvas around the outside, and there's absolutely nowhere in there to come through. You know, it just ruin it. So I've got to come out the other way. I've got to go outside and down out. So, right, I'm not showing you it all. I mean, everybody's put solar panels on the roof. This will get Silkaflex down. I'll Silkaflex it, and I'll just give you an update in between here and there. Right, catch you in a minute. We got so far there. Got the leisure battery all uncovered. Got the terminals loose. I've ran the cables through the van, and they come out inside the box. Yeah, there we are. They've come out inside the box. So I've taped them up too much there. But I'll run the bio wires for the battery now down behind that unit and come out underneath. So my trouble is the sun's come out. It's still only like 3 degrees, and as you can see, bloody water keeps running down the roof and dripping off. It just isn't drying. It's there, soaked. So the Silkaflex won't go off on that. It's starting to dry, but unless I can reach up there and dry it all, it ain't happening. Got it all marked out. For the controller, we were going to put the controller in the cupboard, but we're going to put the controller up there now. Right, and that way you can use the USB sockets. If it's in the cupboard, you can't use the USB, because he's got none in here. Yeah, he's got none there. So 2 USB sockets there running off the solar will be absolutely fine. You've got all the holes marked out. I don't think you can see. They're all marked out. I haven't drilled them yet. I'll run all the cables to there first. Right, get in there. Right, just a quickie. I got the cables down from the top of the cupboard now through the wall, the cavity down into here. Got the earth and the live. That's for the battery feed up to the controller, and got all 4 wires up there ready to go, and I'm just about to drill and screw the cupboard up, the controller in there. Right, catch you again in a minute. Right, 12:10. It's in that. It's in that. Got the controller in. Let's go round. Right, got the controller in there now. That's in. At least he's got the USB in here now, so I can put all that back together. The cables are all nicely tucked in. You can't really see. I've already tested them to see if they're all live, and they're all okay. Right, that's all I can do in here, because the lid's got to go back on there. I got it out, look, and now it's 1/4 inch too long. The cupboard sprung back in as I did it. So I've got to try and sort that. I shan't cut it. I'll just spring the cupboard back out. I think it's that back panel that moves. But nice insulated top. Yeah, with zip openers. Lovely. Well, at least you can stand up. I mean, that's my arm fully reached. I can just about touch the roof in the middle. That's in the middle of the van. At the back of the van, then yeah, I'm banging my head on the back. And not a bad top. Yeah. What? All bloody lights and God knows what. So, right. That's that done. So the battery can get connected. I shall leave that now until I get up on the roof and put the panel up. I'll connect them all together. Remember, you've got to connect the battery first. But I don't know whether you can see it. It's still running. All the water's still running down off the top of that roof. And it's bloody midday, 12:10. Can't stick it up there until it's all gone. It just won't stick. It's dry where it hasn't run down. It's dry. Never mind. Right, keep you informed. Right, that's all back in. I'll give you another one of those. I'll get another one of those things so I can tie that up.
Okay. Well, them sticky things.
Yep. Oh no, that's it. He's gone in there. Yeah, he's gone in there.
Okay, man.
Yeah. Right, that's done. Right. I'll climb up on there now. I ain't as young as I used to be. That's all on. I can't even see the screen again. Yeah, that's all. Yeah. That's all done. I can see it now. The sun's behind me at last. I tell you what, I'm starting to cook as well. Right, there you go. That's all done there. Right, let's go in and just film the charger. There you go. Let's see if I can zoom in. Yeah, got it. 13 volts now, and the top bar is full. Yeah. He's up. He's fully charged now.
Brilliant.
Well, he's on 13. You'll go to 13.6, I expect.
Great stuff.
So that's that done.
Excellent.
Yeah, I'll just do a bit more over there.
No problem.
If I can just about see the screen.
Better off to the side, Ken.
No, I got it. That's why I left the legs on him. How's that? Look at that, you can just about see that.
Oh yeah, I can see that from here. Yeah, you've got it, definitely.
Right, as I say, give it a few days before you go off.
We will. But it won't be moving from there for the next few days anyway, so it'll be fine.
Right, that's it.